Welcome to the Traveling Pogma YouTube channel. Today's video will show you the St Kitts Marriott Resort and Royal Beach Casino. It's located on Frigate Bay Road in Frigate Bay in the country of St Kitts and Nevis, but of course it's on the island of St Kitts. It's a beautiful resort just 4 miles from the Robert L. Bradshaw International Airport. That code is SKB. The information here is for the St Kitts Marriott Resort and Royal Beach Casino. I will have a separate video for the Marriott's St Kitts Beach Club, which is their vacation ownership resort that has 2 and 3 bedroom villas that's also called a timeshare or a vacation club. And that is located right on the same property as this resort that I'm talking about, the St Kitts Marriott Resort and Royal Beach Casino. The main building has 5 floors with 389 non-smoking rooms. 69 of them are suites. You cannot smoke in guest rooms, public spaces, nor work areas. They do have designated smoking areas outside of the building. There are 7 restaurants here that include a lobby bar, a sushi bar, a pool bar and grill, Calypso's, a fire steak and seafood restaurant, La Cucina Italian, and a pizza shack. There are 9 meeting rooms, free parking, but they do not allow pets. There's a full-service spa, and they have a very good-sized fitness center. There is a Royal St. Kitts Golf Club on property. There are 3 large swimming pools. The main pool is in the middle of the property and has a swim-up bar at one end, which is a lot of fun. The south pool is located in the Marriott St. Kitts Beach Club, which is their timeshare / vacation club area, and you do have access to that as well. The north pool is on the opposite side, which would be the left side when facing the beach from the main lobby. The resort was built in 2003 and last renovated in 2017. They do have a very good sized casino that's got slots and poker and craps tables. I was actually very impressed with their shopping area that they have inside. The best feature of this resort is clearly their private, beautiful, very wide, soft, brown, granular, sandy, walkable beach. It's on the Atlantic coast. The first day we had no problem getting a lounge chair. The second day we did have to grab 2 loungers that were in a pile near the fence, so we didn't have a cabana with shade. But to be fair, it was 2 in the afternoon that second day, so it was crowded. I didn't need my water shoes. The waves were a decent size. I was pretty disappointed with the snorkeling though. We didn't see many fish in the swimming area. If you'd like to walk off property, there's a pharmacy, a grocery store, and several restaurants and shops in walking distance. Here is a review of our king bed resort view guest room. It's 475 square feet, and we really enjoyed this room. Hi, come on in. Welcome to the Marriott St. Kitts, the Royal Beach Casino. There's another Marriott next door, but that one is a timeshare. So this one is the hotel. And next door, it's a little sticky. I will start with our closet. And then our hangers. Safe, a little bit high here, so just gonna make sure you empty it out when you leave. Your ironing board. We got some shelves, that's kind of nice. Over here we have our ice bucket. We've got, of course, all our coffee. We've got some shelves here. Nothing. Oops. Excuse me. Nothing is on them. And we have a decent sized refrigerator. Let's keep going this way. We do have a connecting door. We have a nice TV. We've got a few outlets here and USB ports. Oh, and then you can put them right on the shelf. Okay. Nice TV. This is cute. You don't see this very often where you can put this over like that. Nice big coffee table, couch, unusual pictures. And then you have our 2 end tables, which is nice. You do have an outlet here, just a regular US outlet. That's nice. Empty drawer there. Nice clean bed. Same thing on this side, but we have the Book of Mormon and a Holy Bible in the drawer. Same thing there, one outlet there. And our phone. And this picture is, yeah, kind of not our camera, it's a little fuzzy. But the balcony is kind of nice, good size. But we do share it with our neighbors next door, so if we had a connecting room, it'd be kind of nice. Yeah, don't see that very often. Yep. And actually, we only have 1 chair. They have 2, so And then there's our view of St. Kitts. Beautiful. And with our bathroom, I like the big counter space. That's nice. A couple little shelving units down there. Your hair dryer. And it comes with the shower cap. Something, a body lotion. Some cotton balls. We got our towels. Not a big fan of the tub. Can be hard to get in and out of, but you do have this to hold on to. Yeah, I do. It comes with the shower, the conditioner, shower cap up, and we do have a little bar of soap, and a shower gel. And then this one comes with a bidet. So kind of had a hard time figuring it out. But if I turn this on and this on, watch out, and turn it, that does spray out. Oops. Okay. And I'm not quite sure what that is for. No, don't see that in the US very often, so St. Kitts, it's a thing.
There's an exhaust fan which is separate from the light, which is good because sometimes they're combined. Every time you go to the bathroom, they get the fan on.
Yeah.
Be sure to check out our St. Kitts and Nevis playlist that includes a walkthrough of this Marriott resort and also a video on the St. Kitts Beach Club. We also have a Caribbean playlist of other islands that include St. Martin, just 35 miles north of St. Kitts, and also St. Eustatius, which is just an hour boat ride away. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, hit that like button, or make a comment. Now get out and explore the world.